Good day, campers. Today I'm going to be installing my Starlink mobility mount for my Gen 3 standard Starlink system. This mobility mount I bought directly from Starlink. They're also available on Amazon. It comes with the mount itself, mounting hardware. It's a set of wood screws and a set of bolts and nuts. Also comes with a tool to tighten the locking screws. I've located one of my roof joists far enough away from the air conditioner so that nothing interferes. I've marked the 2 bolts that will bolt into the joist and the 2 holes for in front of and behind. Next, I'm going to drill some pilot holes. The pilot holes that go in the joists, I'm going to go slightly larger than the pilot holes in front of and behind the joists. To make this simpler, I'm pre-starting all of my mounting bolts so that when I set the mobility mount on here, everything will thread easily. To make sure that there's no risk of any kind of a leak, I'm going to put lap sealant around all 4 screw holes and then mount the mount. Then I will seal around the mount and over the tops of the bolt heads. With the mount installed and everything sealed, then we need to remove the kickstand. You lift on this tab and slide the kickstand back. Then we want to connect our cable, ensure that it's secure. And then install the antenna into the mount. You'll notice there's a cutout here for the cable. So the mounting spot where the kickstand went is tapered this way. You'll notice the mobility mount is also tapered that way. So what we want to do is we want to bring our cable through here, connect it, and then slide the antenna into place. And then it locks, and then you tighten the 2 set screws. And that's it. That's all there is to it. We have a slight slope. The slope is towards so that the airflow when we're traveling down the highway pushes the antenna down instead of up. And that finishes the installation. All we have to do now is route and secure our cable. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.